A Chinese envoy on Wednesday expressed the hope that the UN Security Council would play a meaningful role in handling the humanitarian situation in Ukraine. It comes after the 15-member body failed to adopt a resolution on the humanitarian situation in Ukraine.
Since the outbreak of the Ukraine crisis, the continued deterioration of the humanitarian situation and their increasing spillover effects have triggered widespread concern in the international community. The Security Council has held multiple discussions on the humanitarian issue in Ukraine, and it is heart-wrenching to see the reports of increased civilian casualties, rising numbers of refugees in Syria, and serious shortfalls in humanitarian reliefs. Like many other members, since the beginning, China has been calling for avoiding civilian casualties to the maximum extent and making every effort to ensure basic humanitarian needs. At the same time, we advocate that the Council should fulfill its primary responsibility for the maintenance of international peace and security and play its due role in the humanitarian issue of Ukraine. The Ukraine crisis poses a serious challenge to the world. The key right now is for the parties concerned to show political will and to find a proper solution through negotiations as soon as possible. The international community should create space for peace and leave room for a political settlement. The top priority now is to call on all parties to exercise maximum restraint, avoid civilian casualties, and prevent an even larger-scale humanitarian crisis. The long-term solution, however, lies in abandoning the Cold War mentality, refraining from the bloc confrontations, and gradually putting in place a balanced, effective, and sustainable global and regional security architecture. China will continue to promote talks for peace, speak out for peace, and do its best for peace.